found alone. There are a total of 133 species of owls. Owls usually live in forests, deserts, grasslands, abandoned buildings, fields, and areas that are covered with lots of trees. The weight of owls ranges from 1 to 4 kilograms, and female owls are larger than male owls. Other birds make a fluttering sound while flying, but the owl's wings are so soft that they do not make any sound while flying. Owls come out only at night to hunt. This is because they are evolved to come out and hunt only at night. In other words, they hunt at night because it is impossible to compete with large birds such as eagles at daytime, and thus hunting at night becomes easier. Owls can see well during the daytime too. Like humans, they have 2 eyes directly on the front part of their faces. Owls cannot see objects that are close to them clearly, so we can say that owls have far vision. It is also called as binocular vision. Similarly, the structure of the owl's neck helps it to see around 270 degrees in both directions. The neck also helps them to look up and down. Owls have 2 toes at the front and 2 at the back. They can grip any object tightly using their toes. Owls are also the best buddies of the farmers, just like earthworms, because it hunts all the rats and insects that are harmful to agriculture and helps to protect and prosper them. Cats are omnivorous animals and they are kept as pets at homes. Research has discovered that cats have been domesticated by humans for over 10,000 years. There are more than 140 species of cats, which are divided into wild and domestic cats. Cats usually weigh between 2.5 kg and 7 kg. And the average lifespan of a cat is 7 to 15 years. Cats can give birth to 4 to 8 kittens in a year. Lion, tiger, and leopard are all animals belonging to the cat species. Generally, cats can sleep for 12 to 16 hours. They are naturally good hunters and have excellent eyesight and keen hearing. They are selective in preying on small species such as mice. They also keep mice from multiplying in the house. No matter how high a cat jumps, it has a body structure that is invulnerable. Cats are very playful and human-friendly. They always keep themselves clean and they bury their own waste in the soil. They also keep the environment clean. Cats are also the friends of farmers. They hunt the mice that feed the fields and protect the food grains. So it is our duty to protect these little guys. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest of all bird species. It is estimated that there are about 20 lakh ostriches in the world. The ostrich has a long neck and long legs. Their lifespan is maximum of 45 years. Even though the ostrich is a bird, it cannot fly. They can't fly, but they can run very fast. They run at a speed of 50 to 70 kilometers per hour. They are the fastest birds in the world. Male ostriches are 2 meters to 2.8 meters long and female ostriches are 1.7 to 2 meters long. And mostly all of them live in groups. The weight of an ostrich ranges from 63 to 143 kilograms. Male ostriches are black in color and female ostriches are brown. Ostriches have 2 toes on their feet. Only 1 finger has a strong claw. Ostriches like to eat fruits, nuts, and insects. And at the same time, they do not drink water because they get the water they need through the food they eat. Female ostriches can lay up to 11 eggs at a time. Ostrich racing and ostrich riding competitions are held in countries like Africa, Kenya, Netherlands, etc. Ostriches were used to pull chariots in ancient Egypt. It is a miracle that the ostrich, which has been seen since the time of dinosaurs, is still alive today. Horses are animals that were domesticated by humans 4,000 BC years ago, horses help humans ride and carry things. During the time of the kings, there was a separate unit called cavalry, basically an army of horses. I know, they played an important role in human life in ancient times and even now. Horses generally have a lifespan of 25 to 30 years. They can also run at a speed of 71 kilometers per hour. Horses often sleep standing up. They lay down to sleep only at night. And young horses often sleep standing for up to 3 hours. Horse foals have the energy to get up and run immediately after birth. Horses are pure herbivorous animals. They love to eat fruits and vegetables like apples, beans, peas, and many more. Their teeth are arranged accordingly. Male horses have 40 teeth and female horses have 36 teeth. Did you know that you can tell how old a horse is just by looking at its teeth? Horses roam and live in groups. We must have seen horses roaming around in herds in the forest. Likewise, horses that are left alone are prone to stress. Horses have a monocular vision. This allows them to quickly sense danger and escape. Horses can detect distant objects easily. But at the same time, identifying objects less than a meter can be very difficult. Although horses are not widely seen in India, they are still widely seen and used in countries like America and Mexico. Starfish or sea stars are very beautiful marine animals that come in various colors, shapes, and sizes. There are more than 2,000 species of starfish. Some live in the shallows of the ocean, while others live in the deep waters of the ocean. Although many species live in tropical regions, starfish can also be found in colder regions. They live especially in the polar regions. Although starfish typically only have 5 arms, some starfishes can grow up to 40 arms. Although sea stars are commonly called as starfish, they are not actually a fish. They do not have gills, scales, or fins on their bodies like a fish. Starfishes also move quite differently from other fishes. A normal fish would propel themselves with their tails, but sea stars use small tube-shaped legs to move around. And that is why sea stars are not classified as fishes, and scientists refer to starfish as sea stars. An interesting fact is that starfishes can regrow lost arms, and they can do so even if they are hunted by mutants and lose part of their body. But this doesn't happen very quickly. It can take up to a year for an arm to regrow. Starfish have slightly prickly skin, and they have a rough texture on their surface. Also, their spines are used for protection against predators such as birds, fish, and sea otters. Starfishes feed on oysters, other small fishes, snails, and algae. Starfishes have eyes. You may be surprised to hear that, but it's true. They have an eye spot at the end of each arm. That is, a 5-armed starfish has 5 eyes and a 40-armed starfish has 40 eyes. And each starfish's eye look like a red dot. But they cannot see like us. They can only sense light and dark.
Of volcanoes. Welcome, explorers! Did you know that volcanoes can glow blue, shoot lightning, and even exist underwater? Buckle up as we dive into the most mind-blowing volcanic secrets you've never heard before. 1. Volcanoes can have blue lava. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano emits blue flames that look like blue lava. This phenomenon occurs due to the combustion of sulfuric gases at high temperatures. 2. Most volcanoes are underwater. About 75% of the Earth's volcanic activity happens under the ocean, forming vast underwater mountain ranges. 3. There's a volcano that erupted for 250 years. Stromboli, an Italian volcano, has been erupting continuously for over 2,500 years and is nicknamed the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean. 4. Volcanoes can create lightning. Volcanic eruptions sometimes produce dirty thunderstorms. where volcanic ash and rock particles create static electricity, leading to spectacular lightning displays. 5. There's an ice volcano in space. Saturn's moon Titan and Neptune's moon Triton have cryovolcanoes that erupt liquid methane, water, or ammonia instead of lava. 6. Volcanic ash can travel thousands of miles. The 1883 Krakatoa eruption sent ash 50 miles into the air, affecting global climate and causing stunning sunsets worldwide. 7. A supervolcano almost wiped out humanity. Around 74,000 years ago, the Toba supereruption in Indonesia triggered a volcanic winter that may have reduced the human population to just a few thousand people. 8. You can surf on volcanic ash. In Nicaragua, thrill seekers volcano board down the slopes of Cerro Negro at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. 9. Volcanoes can be found on other planets. Mars has Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, which is about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. 10. The world's smallest volcano is in the Philippines. Taal Volcano, one of the world's tiniest active volcanoes, sits inside a lake, which itself is inside an ancient volcanic crater.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video.